Okay, so welcome to this wonderful video. So today we are going to discuss on how we can download sokonalysis in Windows. So the first thing is that you need to go on Google, then search for sokonalysis. So just click on the first link for which will be provided, which will take you to the GitHub repository. You need to come on releases, then you'll see tags. So now under these tags, again navigate to releases, then you're going to see the assets. Just make sure that you expand this. Then once you do that, for Windows, you need to download the Windows installer.exe. So once this is done, it will take you direct to your downloads. So that's how you can download sokonalysis. Now, how do we install? So to install, we just make sure that we double click on this Windows installer. So in this case, I'll just go with recommended. Then you need to select the destination where you want to save the files for this application. So if you want to change the location, you can browse, but I'll leave it as default and say next. Now, you need to decide if you want to create a startup folder, or if you don't want, just select this option. So again, I'll leave it as default. So if you want, you can tick create desktop shortcut, for which you to create a shortcut here. If you don't want, uncheck this box. So again, I'll leave everything as default, then I'll install. Okay, so now here you just need to click finish. So how can we now start this application? So again, there are two ways. You can either double click on this application, or you can use the search option by just typing sokonalysis. So you can simply say open. So now you just need to wait for the app to load up. Then that's it. You've successfully installed sokonalysis in Windows. So my name is Asoko James, representing Team Sokonalysis. You can help this repo by forking and starting the repository.